On to question 4 now. We have a half squared times 5/8 minus 5.8 minus 1.8 times 3/5. So again, the best way to do this is look at your order of operations, do all the parentheses first, then do all the exponents, then multiply or divide from left to right, and then do all the additions or subtractions from left to right. Okay, so we're going to start with all the parentheses. So we do anything that's inside a parenthesis, anything that has to be done inside of a parenthesis. So for example, the 1/2 is inside the parenthesis, but there's nothing to be done inside there. The 3/5, there's nothing to be done. But this one, we have something to be done here. 5.8 minus 1.8. We can actually do something inside of a parenthesis, so that's what we need to do first. Do everything inside the parentheses first. Okay, so go ahead and calculate this. 5.8 minus 1.8 is, did you get that? 4.0 or 4, right? And then we've done all of the everything inside parentheses, so we're done with that, and now we move on to exponents. So in any case, we did this. Now we write the whole question out again. Okay, write the whole question out again. And now we look for exponents. Okay, so we go from left to right. Can we find any exponents here now? We've got the half squared, right? And a half squared is 1/2 times 1/2, which is 1/2 times a half. And again, we're multiplying fractions. When you multiply fractions, you multiply the tops, 1 times 1 to get 1, and the bottoms, 2 times 2 to get 4, 1/4, right? So exponents, 1/2 squared becomes 1/4. So we've got 1/4 times 4 times 3/5. Okay, so all the exponents are done, and now we move on to multiplying or dividing. What have we got? This is a multiplication dot, so that means multiply. This is a number beside a parenthesis, so that also means multiply. Okay, so we have two multiplications. So we just go from left to right. Now we've got 1/4 times 4. Can you multiply those? One thing you can do is turn 4 into a fraction. How do you turn 4 into a fraction? 3 written as a fraction is 3 over 1. What's 5 written as a fraction? 5 over 1, right? What's 4 written as a fraction? 4 written as a fraction is 4 over 1. So we can write 4 as a fraction by doing this, 4 over 1. And now we can multiply, just multiply the 1/4 times the 4 over 1. Okay? And there's a couple of ways of doing it. You can cross cancel, or you could go 1 times 4 is 4 over 4 times 1 is 4, 4/4, which is 1, right? Or you could cross cancel. 4 into 4 goes once, 4 into 4 goes once, and that gives us 1 times 1, which is 1 over 1 times 1 is just 1, so 1 over 1 is just 1. So either way, these multiplied should give 1, and then it's times the 3/5, and that's the last thing we have to do anyway, one operation. What's 1 times 3/5? Is it 3/5? Yep. And there's nothing left to do. There are no additions or subtractions, obviously, so we're done, and that's the answer.